One thing with farming, you know, it humbly a fast. For all who know, for a baby chick, it takes 6 weeks from a baby chick to get to size like this. And for most, it might seem short or a quick time. 6 weeks, easy money. But in those 6 weeks, it's a lot of work for those 6 weeks. Everything take time. Enough people want the fast results. Farming no work, so. Animal take time to grow. Profit don't come overnight. You have to do this repeatedly, learn from mistake, and continue, trial and error, until you get it. One thing with farming, you have to learn to not rush the process, because if you should rush these chickens, you'll end up never get them like this. So, you have to take your time to farming, and you have to stay humble, or it will humble you. This is how chicken should look. And this is a tutorial on how to pick chicken properly. I just want the feather them off quick and done. And that's the problem. Everybody wanna rush the chicken. Chicken done dead already. How much more rush me can rush it? First things first, food safety. Food safety? How do you? Apron, ear net, and beard net. So much sitting, me a turn a surgeon. Always use a sharp knife. I have a knife from 2019 and it's still working. No, sharp knife is safer and cleaner. Don't cut off the neck, cut the sides of the neck and let the chicken drain. For what? Chicken head will fly high. High, me tell you. Now, pay attention. This is the key. Multi-million dollar formulation. The right temperature, the sweet spot is between 140 Fahrenheit and 160 Fahrenheit. And dip for 5 to 10 seconds. Me no use thermometer. And that's why your chicken look like it survived hurricane. And your chicken and Melissa apart. Remember, you pluck chicken. And you now make chicken porridge. Dip the chicken food first. Then dip the bird. Move it around. Give it a few seconds. And test the feather. The easier the feather pull out, it is ready. A sub-patient important? Exactly. Me allergic to patients here. This technique works whether you pluck chicken with a chicken plucker or a hand plucker. Hand plucking, same principle. Look on the clean skin, no damage, pretty, and it was the water temperature. So that's why when my chicken them come out, them look like them lose a fight with a lawnmower. Well beat up and mash up. Check your water temperature. And big up.